everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most transformative topics I've ever covered: how to change your life in 90 days. I know it sounds bold, but trust me, 90 days is enough time to make incredible progress and start living the life you've always wanted. So grab a notebook, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started.
The first step to changing your life is having a clear vision of where you want to go. Without a vision, it's easy to drift. But with a clear goal, you can map out the steps to get there. So, start by answering this question. What do you want to achieve in the next 90 days? Now here's the thing. 90 days sounds like a lot, but it can also feel overwhelming if you're not breaking things down into manageable chunks. Let's say you want to get in shape. So once you have your big vision, break it into smaller, achievable goals. Instead of saying, I want to lose weight, try breaking it down into weekly goals like, I'll work out 4 times a week, or I'll eat more vegetables every day. This makes it easier to track your progress and stay motivated. Consistency is key when it comes to changing your life in 90 days. It's the small daily actions that add up to big results. So, commit to doing something every day that brings you closer to your goal. It doesn't have to be perfect, but it should be persistent. Whether it's writing 500 words a day for your blog, exercising for 30 minutes, or dedicating time to learning a new skill, take action, even if it's just a small step. Remember, the magic happens in the consistency, not in the intensity. Just show up every day. Tracking your progress is vital for staying motivated. It lets you see how far you've come and adjust your approach if necessary. Set aside time each week to check in with your goals. Are you on track? Do you need to adjust your plan? Tracking helps you stay accountable and gives you a confidence boost as you see your growth.
Now, let's get real for a second. Challenges will come up. You'll face obstacles, distractions, and maybe even self-doubt. It's important to expect setbacks. But here's the thing, setbacks are not failures, they're part of the process. The key is to keep going. When life throws you off course, just get back on. Remember why you started and keep moving forward. Last but not least, celebrate your wins, no matter how small. Every step forward is progress, and you deserve to acknowledge it. Celebrating keeps you motivated and reminds you that you're on the right track. So, whether it's treating yourself to a nice meal or sharing your success with a friend, celebrate your journey. So, there you have it, the blueprint to change your life in just 90 days. Set your vision, break down your goals, take daily action, track your progress, overcome obstacles, and celebrate your wins. I promise, if you stick to this, you'll be amazed at how much you can accomplish in 3 months.
Remember, the journey won't always be easy, but it'll be worth it. Start today. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Your future self will thank you.
Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this with a friend who's ready to change their life too. Until next time, keep growing and keep thriving.